Welcome to JZ Supercars, your destination for the world's most luxurious and high-performance vehicles. Today, we're diving into the epitome of luxury, the Mercedes-Maybach S-Class, a sedan that redefines elegance, comfort, and power. Exquisite design. The Mercedes-Maybach S-Class boasts a stunning two-tone paint finish, a signature chrome grille, and sleek LED headlights that command attention. Every curve is designed for elegance, with the Maybach emblem symbolizing pure exclusivity. Ultra-luxurious interior. Step inside, and you enter a world of supreme luxury. Hand-stitched leather, real wood trims, and ambient lighting create a first-class experience. The rear seat package offers reclining, massaging seats, while the MBUX system keeps passengers entertained and connected. Power and performance. Under the hood, the Maybach S-Class delivers a smooth yet powerful ride, thanks to its V8 or V12 engine options. The airmatic suspension ensures a cloud-like driving experience, making every journey effortless. The ultimate chauffeured experience. Designed for those who prefer to be driven, the Maybach S-Class offers an ultra-quiet cabin, advanced driver assistance, and seamless ride quality. It's a private jet on wheels, setting the gold standard for executive sedans. Final thoughts. The Mercedes-Maybach S-Class is more than a car. It's a statement of prestige and exclusivity. Whether you're driving or being driven, it offers unmatched luxury. If you love high-end cars, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exclusive content on JZ Supercars. Let me know if you want any tweaks.